Hey guys, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Chris and today I'll be showcasing you guys this beautiful BMW 530e M Sport finished in oxide grey. So today I'll be showcasing some exterior and interior features of this fantastic car. So come to the front here, we have your diamond cut 19-inch M Sport upgraded alloys. They of course also come with your blue M Sport brake calipers as well. To the front here, we have your iconic BMW kidney grills, as well as your M Sport bumper. Here are your BMW adaptive LED headlights. And now as we head on to the side of the car, as you can see, we have your rear privacy glass, and the window trims are finished in high gloss black as well. We have a subtle 5 Series here. To the back here, the boot offers automatic open and close functionalities. For 5 Series here, we have plenty of storage space for all your storage needs. Then the automatic closing function. Now as we head into the rear interior of the car, first of all we see the car comes equipped with Harman Kardon surround sound system. We have very nice beige leather interior. Of course your ISOFIX child safety support system. Some climate controls with 2 AC vents in the middle. Some extra storage of course on your left hand side and your right hand side passenger doors. We are now in the front driver's seat of the car. As you can see, I'm showing you guys this car comes with your electric sunroof. And now in front of me we have your M Sport flat bottom leather steering wheel. We have your Sport adaptive paddle shifters on both sides. We have your cruise controls on the left hand side and your media controls on the right hand side. And now ahead of the steering wheel we have your M Sport speedometer. As well as that, you can see there is a heads-up display. Now this heads-up display comes with the Technology Plus pack, which is inside this car. This car also comes with 360 panoramic cameras as well with the Technology Plus pack. This car also comes with M Sport adaptive suspension. Now as we head on to here, the main infotainment system. This infotainment system is fully automatic touchscreen, comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Here's your navigation settings. Here's your media settings. And here's your reverse parking camera and your 360 panoramic camera view. Now as we head down, we have your climate control zones. We have wireless charging as well. That is a part of the comfort access, which is in this car. We have 2 cup holders, 2 charging ports, your gear and transmission, and some extra storage here in the mid glove compartment. This top spec 5 Series is available for purchase across our various car selling websites, as well as on our Joe Duffy BMW website itself. All of our BMW approved and used cars come with a standard 2-year warranty. If you guys have any more questions or queries and want to book a test drive, please feel free to reach out to us here at Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Chris. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.